The fact that this event has been hosted by Digital Catapult with the support of Belfast City Council has been fantastic and really kicking that off. And being here already, seeing the conversations start to happen and the networking has been lovely to see that foster and grow. Having an amazing world-class research lab positioned at the heart of industry here in Belfast, you couldn't ask for anything better, especially for SMEs looking to grow and looking to scale. I think we're really primed to really innovate and grow in this area, and the world-class facilities here are really going to start reaping benefits and rewards for multiple different sectors, not just film and TV. With virtual production, a lot of people are maybe mystified by it, but events like today has really broken that down. It's pulled back that veil for maybe people who have had questions, haven't had the chance to explore that, or they've had a barrier to entry through access to facilities, through access to software, to mentorship. By getting involved in these events, by keeping an eye out through the different communication channels, people can start to dabble their toes in that area. I think having this event has been a really fantastic kick-off to that, and we really hope to see more in the future.